ChatGPT.
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 ChatGPT has the internet in awe with its capacity to respond to any query. Why not use it to make money if it is so powerful? Before you guys jump the gun accusing us with a big no, or how is it possible? Well, all we have to say is, it is possible. If you want to know how, for that, you need to watch this video till the end. Let's dive into the ChatGPT earning world together. Nowadays, people who work on Fiverr and Upwork as SEO use these ChatGPT versions and earn more than $5 per day. You might be able to use ChatGPT to attract clients looking to expand their audiences through search, because SEO is a large business. The creation of headlines, keywords, content for your website, and search descriptions for your YouTube videos can be assisted using ChatGPT. Numerous businesses seek out SEO specialists, and ChatGPT may be able to help you find freelance work or a position with a profitable startup. Those who already run some businesses can also take affiliate marketing suggestions from ChatGPT. Affiliate links are a fantastic way to earn money passively. It's a terrific way to earn a commission without putting in much effort, if you have any brand deals. What causes that to occur? You receive a percentage of the transaction if a reader clicks on an affiliate link to purchase a promoted item. Using ChatGPT for SEO content writing and frequently post material, you can drive significant traffic to your website and gain visibility on Google. How can an affiliate link be added? Simply click Add Alt Text and add blog to get started. ChatGPT just took the freelancing business to another level, as now those who do coding can ask ChatGPT for coding suggestions. That's insane. Perhaps you never imagined yourself as a coder and always believed that a profession in coding was out of your reach. ChatGPT, on the other hand, makes coding professions more accessible than ever. Smaller assignments can be obtained from freelance websites and completed quickly, utilizing ChatGPT with little to no coding knowledge needed. Until now, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do it, as it will motivate us to keep making informative videos for you. Well, you can also get some ideas for video content from ChatGPT. To assist them in creating their videos, many YouTubers and influencers look for scriptwriters. You could simply get in touch with YouTubers and offer your script writing talents, then use ChatGPT to produce material if you choose. Although you will still need to read the generated text, the bulk of the work has already been done. Scripts can sell for hundreds of dollars, thus this can be very profitable. You can quickly and easily write engaging scripts with ChatGPT's assistance. Even if you want to set much lower prices, you can still make a ton of money. The typical YouTuber creates 2 videos every week for $200 per script. That works out to be $1,600 each month. You can also take email marketing service from ChatGPT and earn $10 daily. Let me tell you how you can do it. Email marketing is used by 64.1% of small businesses because it has the 3rd highest ROI of all marketing media. Are you new to this and don't know how to write a perfect email for marketing services? Don't worry. You can increase your income using ChatGPT's email marketing assistance. ChatGPT can create persuasive copy for your target audience that could improve open and conversion rates and ultimately result in more clients and revenues. Email newsletter writing costs typically range from $50 per month for small email lists to $200 per month for more extensive email lists. Isn't this great that you can earn this much easier with the help of ChatGPT? Now, it is easy for you to write reviews of books with the help of ChatGPT. Are you an avid reader? Do you live and breathe books? Book evaluations are a fantastic way to get money with ChatGPT. Even if you only read occasionally, simply choose a book, read it, and then write a quick review. Refine the review using ChatGPT before posting it to your book blog. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. What are your thoughts regarding making money with ChatGPT? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching.